Our story starts in the small town of Dragonville, while Derek III practices his swordplay, and his friend Eleanor the elf works on her archery. A message from the king. Derek III and Eleanor the elf must be at my castle tonight before nightfall. Derek, Eleanor, we need your help. The Master Dragon has come out from hiding and has fallen through a portal into the future. That will soon be known throughout the nation, and surely evildoers will attempt to seize the dragon, for the power the dragon holds is great. It can shapeshift into anything it can imagine. You must go into the future and find the owner, for he is the only one that can tame the dragon. Before it ends up in the wrong hands, bring it back to our world. You are our only hope.